Welcome to Math Globe, Karnataka Board, Class 9, Areas of Parallelogram and Triangles, Exercise 11.1.
In this exercise 11.1, areas of parallelogram and triangle. Exercise 11.1, first main, we have which of the following figures lie on the same base and between the same parallels. In such a case, write the common base and two parallels. So here the question is being asked, following figures, that means you have figures here, lie on the same base. Coming to the first question, if you see, you have two figures. One is the triangle and one is the quadrilateral. Quadrilateral is four-sided figure and triangle is three-sided figure. So in the quadrilateral, A, B, C, D, okay, and triangle P, D, C, both are sitting on the same base. So I can write here for the first question, triangle P, D, C and quadrilateral A, B, C, D. Both these figures are on same base. So which is that base? You can see the base BC. They have the base DC. Both have the same base DC. And apart from the same base BC, what else they have similarity here is both the figures, the triangle APDC as well as the quadrilateral ABCD are between the same parallel lines. Can you see these parallel lines? AB is one parallel line and DC is one more parallel line. Between these two parallel lines only, you can see the two figures are in between the two parallel lines. Okay, so write are on the same base DC and in between same parallels. Same parallels means AB is parallel to DC here. Okay, so now going to the second picture here. See here, again we have a quadrilateral. We have two quadrilaterals. Here we had a triangle and a quadrilateral. Here we have two quadrilaterals. That is, they both are four-sided figures only. Let us see that whether they are having same base and they are in between the same parallels. So first taking the parallelogram PQRS. So write parallelogram PQRS, okay, and trapezium. And see, this is a parallelogram. This four-sided figure is a parallelogram and here this four-sided figure is a trapezium. So MNSR is a trapezium, okay, and trapezium MNSR. If you observe, they are sitting on the same base, okay. MNSR are on the same base. What is the base here? SR is the base. They are sitting on the same base SR. But are they parallel? Are they between the same parallels? Check. Here PQ is parallel to SR and MN. So you can clearly see that they are not between the same parallels. So right here, but they are not between the same parallels. Okay, they are not between the same parallels. PQ parallel to SR, because you can see here, MN is not coinciding with PQ here, so they are not between the same parallels. Okay, coming to the third sum here. Again we have the third sum. Third and the fourth sum, different parallelograms we have. You can see triangle is in between the parallelograms, and according to the question, which of the following figures lie on the same base and between the same parallels? In such a case, write the common base and the two parallels. In the third sum, if we observe, there is two figures here. The parallelogram PQRS, this is a parallelogram, and you have a triangle, that is QTR. If you observe carefully, parallelogram PQSR or RS, anything you can write, PQRS, and triangle QTR are on the same base. QR. Okay, they are on the same base QR. You can see this is the base for the triangle QTR, as well as this is the base for the parallelogram PQRS. Are they between the same parallel? Yes. And they are also between same parallels. Which are those parallels here? Which are those parallel lines in between two parallels? You can see PS. Okay, you can see PS and QR. You can see PS and QR. PS is parallel to QR. So PS is parallel to QR. They are between the two parallels and they are on the same base. Which two figures? Triangle QTR as well as the parallelogram PQRS. Coming to the fourth sum here. In the fourth sum, you can see the parallelogram ABCD and triangle. There is one more triangle. Can you see this triangle? RQP. Are they sitting on the same base? There are two figures here. One is the triangle and one is the parallelogram. So parallelogram, we will check out. Parallelogram has base, parallelogram ABCD. What is the base of the parallelogram? Parallelogram base is this. We will consider this as base because we can see the triangle also sitting on this. Okay. So parallelogram ABCD has base which has base BC. Okay, what about the triangle? Triangle RQP has base, which is the base of the triangle QP. Are they sitting on the same base? No. So they are not sitting on the same base. Okay. They are not sitting on the PQ are on base PQ and between parallels and base and between. So here what is the problem is they are not having the same base, but they are sitting between the same parallels. Can you see? They are sitting between the same parallels. So I can write parallelogram ABCD has base BC and triangle RQP has the base QP. So now therefore they are not sitting on the same base. Okay, they are not sitting on the same base because BC is not equal to QP, but they are between the same parallels. You can see they are between the same parallel. AD as well as BC, but they are between the same parallels. They are between the same parallels. What are the parallels? AD parallel to BC. Okay, this is the fourth sum. They are between the same parallels. AD parallel to BC. You can see AD is parallel to BC there.
Subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching.